Okay, so I'm playing Cat Mario today. And it's laggy because of how crappy my computer is. Blah. Come on, Cat Mario. You can do it. I believe in you. I didn't even hit that. And I'm already getting angry. This is bad. Yeah, -4. I've already played this a little before I started recording. And that's my cat. You jelly in my knees, aren't you? You jelly of my peanut butter. Ding, ding, ding. You jelly of my peanut butter. Gonna run over to this and the crocodile. Just jump on the. Yeah, boy. Gotcha. Okay, so what's here? Enlighten me. Okay, so I can't jump over that. So I have to jump over this to get a boost. Ooh, it's a bouncy one. And yeah, boy. Jump over that because I don't trust it. And okay. Oh! Oh my god, please, 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 please. Yeah, boy. Give me that. Oh! 1 second. I'm back. Oh my god. I had a problem with doing a Minecraft video as well. Except in my Minecraft video, it was too fast. So, oh my god, how do I? What the hell do I do? I don't know. Could have said that. Could have given me a sign. Come on, come on, come on, boy, come on. Come here, come here, come here. Come on, good boy. You're a good boy. You're not a good boy. You never bounced me over it. Don't touch it and stab on its head. Kill it. Kill it with fire. And you don't need a cursor for this. It's full arrow keys. Wow. Swag. 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 Then Banzai! Gotcha. Are you joking? Oh my god. Why is this being a poop? You're being a poop. So sad. It's a sad day. Did you know that, you marshmallow? You marshmallow? You marshmallow? Yeah, I called you a marshmallow. Problem with me calling you a marshmallow? I don't care. There's a problem. There's wham swag. Swag. And here we go again. We're not getting over this part. That's what it is. Go get Mario jump. Wow, you are no frog, Cat Mario. Just saying. You're a piece of crap. That's all I'm saying. Oh well. I can't get over this pipe. This pipe's being a poo. This pipe is a piece of crap. Okay. Banzai! There we go. Then marshmallow. Marshmallow cannonball! Ding. I forgot. Damn you, you freezer! It's the freezer's fault. I blame the freezer. And how crappy this laptop is. This is going to be one short recording, I reckon. And I'm not sure if I could get copyrighted for this or not. Because of this goddamn music. Could I get copyrighted for this music? I better not get copyrighted for this music. Because this music is a piece of crap and I hate it and I wish it wasn't on. But I have to so people can hear me. My beautiful voice, I think. Do I have a beautiful voice? Yeah, boy! No. Banzai! Yeah, boy! Kill him. And run! God. I'm gonna die for a second there. I'm sorry if this is really crappy and laggy and pieces of poop. This is fun. Infinite coins! Crap, is a turtle. Turtle. Goodbye. Yeah, I got a checkpoint. Oh, I've hit that those stars are bad. Thank God I had a checkpoint then. I have such long hair. Boing. I know what happens here. I know what happens. So I'm going to... Oh, thank God. Anyway, if I landed on that straight floor, there's a trap because there are all boxes with coins, and then the only way you can go is down that hole, which is suicide. And of course, the thing where he never gets over a pipe. Yeah, this is what I mean, look. Like boing, 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 uh-oh, suicide, yeah. And I can't even suicide. There we go, suicide. -11. Perfect. You might say. Oh, Jesus. It's almost Easter anyway. It's pretty good. Oh my God. Come on. Boom time. Oh crap. Yeah, I know you guys. You got marshmallow. You marshmallow crew, you're a gangster. Marshmallow crew, you're the marshmallow crew. You're the marshmallow crew, you're the... God damn it! Piece of poo. First level. First levels aren't supposed to be hard. They're supposed to be the first level. Did notice. Stop being a poo, Cat Mario. Get over. God damn it. A little squiz, for God's sake. Calm down. Oh my God. Hallelujah. Please make it over the pipe. Yeah. Then these pieces of crap can come down, and then I'll wait. This music is annoying. Bella, my Kit Kat. Oh crap! Jump! Why'd you? All it did was bite your feet. Jesus. I'm gonna stop this recording in a second. Don't make me stop this recording, Cat Mario. Don't make me turn this car around. Mouse, do something. Mouse, you're not doing anything. Squeak or something. Anyway, if you want to see more of this piece of crap, then tell me. It's painful. Honestly, it is. I hate it so much with passion. With the bird, and the bird. I said a bird. The bird is the bird. And jump! Why did I clearly push it? Yeah. That's it. I'm sick of this recording session now. I'm sick of it. Just It's done. Okay, now how do I stop recording?